Question 4, which function is the inverse of f of x equals 12x minus 3? In this problem here, we want to make f of x y, and then we want to take our x and y and switch them. So you're going to write x equals 12y minus 3. Then we'll want to solve that for y. So as we're solving for y, we're going to follow the typical ways to solve equations. We want to get the y by itself, so we're going to add 3 to both sides. And that's going to give you x plus 3 is equal to 12y. Our next step is to divide both sides by 12. So when you do that, you're going to put 12 under each side. And you can write that as either x over 12 plus 3 over 12, or you can leave it as one fraction. The 12s here will cancel out. Remember that that y really is your inverse. So what we call that is f inverse x when we write it as the correct notation. See if you can find the correct answer choice. You can utilize Desmos to help you figure this question out. You can take your original equation and you can switch the x and the y values. So you can say x equals 12y minus 3. You can see what that inverse is supposed to look like. Mind you that inverses are always reflections over the line y equals x. So what you want to do is let's hide this for a second. You want to find the answer choice that will give you that reflection over the line y equals x. Now, as I've already given you the answer, we can see x plus 3 over 12 does match up our graph here. So we know that that graph is the same thing. You can see that blue and the purple overlap each other. Whereas the other ones don't quite do so. So if I do y equals negative 12x plus 3, that's not going to be a reflection over it. We can also do the other ones, y equals 3x plus 12. That's way off. And then we can do the last one, y equals fraction 1 over 12, x minus 1 over 4. And that one's just slightly off, so that's not going to work either. So the only one that actually works is this one right here.